Hey guys, Teaira here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a product review. It's been a while since I've done one. If you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed, and if you aren't new, make sure your notification button is turned on. I'm so excited to review this product was because I've been so into the natural makeup lately, like barely foundation. I like super light to medium coverage foundations now, which is wild. It just gives that super natural, innocent, clean look. And I actually, well, I've always loved that look, but I love it on me now. So I'm gonna be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. So this is a tinted moisturizer and it comes in 25 shades. Hopefully these are the 2 shades they sent me, so hopefully they work. And yeah, I feel like because it is a tinted moisturizer, you don't need like a crazy, insane range of shades. I don't think so, because it's supposed to like kind of just go into your skin. And I don't know, I feel like tinted moisturizer, I've never had a tinted moisturizer that was like my exact color. But anyways, I'm excited to try this. I have 15 and I have 14. They also sent me the moisturizer as well, and I actually love their moisturizer. I love their skincare in general. I need to get more. Their cleanser, if you were thinking about it, you should definitely check out the cleanser and the moisturizer. But anyway, so yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I actually really love the applicator. I like it because it's not gonna break and it's easy to just like throw in a bag, and I feel like you can just slide into a bag without taking up much space. It is 1.8 fluid ounces. And I just think it's like the perfect size and shape. I think that's super cute. I'm gonna moisturize my face with the Fenty Beauty. I love this moisturizer too because I have sunscreen on and it's so moisturizing. Like, I have super dry skin, so that's so important for me. Let's get it started. It's a hydrating blur complex, perfect for the no makeup look, which I love, where it's just like effortless and you just woke up like this and you didn't do much. Yeah, humidity, sweat, and transfer resistant. I don't know about it. I haven't been applying powder to my face, only under my eyes right here and in this area, but everything else I like for it to look like skin. I've been going for the very natural, exclude the lashes, but everything else like super natural. So I will be the judge of that. So I feel like that's the trend makeup is going in these days anyways, the more natural. I feel like so many makeup companies have been coming out with like natural skin, like, you know, foundations. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my Milk Hydro Primer because I love this stuff. Also, you can apply this foundation, the Fenty, with your fingers. It says your fingers or a brush. So I guess they wouldn't recommend a blender at all. So I think I am going to, what do I have to do? Use my fingers, use a brush. By the way, I miss you guys. I feel like, I mean, I posted like a week ago, but it's just, I don't know, I miss y'all. I burnt my forehead. It's hot for a summer. I don't know about y'all, but for some reason, 2021 made me want to have a hot girl summer. Because I feel like I'm such an introvert. I do hang out, like, you know, with my friends here and there, but like I really be in the house for real. So I'm like, Teaira, I'm talking to myself. I'm like, Teaira, girl, you over it. You over being an introvert, antisocial. Get out, have fun, turn up, live your life. Because I've always been like for real, y'all, I've always done things kind of by the book, where it's like I've never been like risky, and I mean that's just who I am as a person. But I was always like growing up the goody two shoes, where if it logically didn't make sense, I wasn't doing it. So I feel like, you know what, I definitely had my turn up moments though, like in college for like a good 3 months. Me and my best friend used to go out, have fun, turn up a good 3 months straight. Strip clubs, like we used to travel, we had fun, and we lived. honey. But I'm like, dang, I guess just being in the house for a whole year, and I'm not gonna say in the house, but kind of in the house, you know. It made me want to be like, you got one life to live, girl. You gotta live it. I'm still not like, I'm not a crazy person or like a super risky person when it comes to like certain things. I'm just like, if it doesn't sound like a good decision, I'm not gonna do it. But I just want to have fun, live a little, turn up. I'm excited. I'm gonna go visit my friends, and I said, girl, we're going out every night. We're turning up every night when I get there. Okay, I really like 15 because I feel like it's giving, is it warm? But it's giving like a warm, maybe cool warm olive, I don't know. Okay, 15 might work because it's darker, and I'd rather go darker than lighter. Okay, so I'm gonna use my fingers. Shake it up, shake it up. I have 2 marks right here, so we're gonna see if it covers up. Thank you, time of the month. Thank you for that. I do have a brush that I want to use, but we're gonna try to use our fingers on one side and the mirror. I just feel like this can get super messy. Wow, that's definitely coverage because I had that mark right there, and ooh, and I love the blend into the skin. It feels very super weightless, obviously, because it's a tinted moisturizer. Maybe if you want it to be a little more sheer, you can mix the moisturizer and the foundation together to get a more lighter coverage. But yeah, it's super hydrating, very much so. It's giving, why do I always put white on? Like something is the matter with me. My friend always say that, something the matter with you. I'm like, what? And surprisingly, it actually blends very well. It's not giving streaky vibes. Like, you know, sometimes when you mix foundation in with your fingers, it can give you streaky vibes, but I'm not getting streaky at all. I'm not getting streaky at all. That looks really good. I feel like it's easier with the brush, but I'm not gonna get the same amount of coverage. Okay, we definitely get that coverage with the brush as well. I love this coverage. I ain't gonna lie to you, y'all. Look how natural this looks. I kind of like the brush side better, right? What y'all think? Yeah. Let me know in the comments. I think the brush is giving fuller coverage. I do feel like the brush is easier just because you can get into spots. I mean, your fingers, I guess, can as well, but I use the brush. I feel like you can use as much as you want to. Like if you want a super sheer coverage, you don't have to apply as much. It's light like a tinted moisturizer, so I guess that's why it's like the best of both worlds, because it's light and you don't feel like nothing is on your face. It's kind of like second skin. Yeah, this is how it's looking right now. I don't feel like it's 100% covering up my marks. Like that's not what it's supposed to do, but I feel like it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's giving you coverage. it gives you that blank, natural canvas. Put this on and go about your day, and that's what tinted moisturizers are for. Just like put it on, go about your day. You don't have to set it or anything, but of course I'm gonna conceal under my eyes and yeah, just zhuzh it up a little bit just for the camera's sake, because I feel like this would be just boring if this is all I did for a video. In real life, I can just go about my day, do my brows. I have to do my brows. I feel like you really don't even need concealer. It just looks so natural. I really like this. This is how it looks without that white bathroom light. It looks super good. This is the wake up and you don't have much time. Just say you got about a good 2 minutes to get ready. Put this tinted moisturizer on and leave. You're good to go. It says buildable light to medium long wear coverage. So I don't know, it's a long wear. Just because I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna be wearing it all day, so I wanted to show you guys my makeup in natural lighting and not artificial bathroom lighting. So this is how it looks. I did not put any highlighter on. My skin is just naturally glowing, and this is how it's looking. I'm about to go do my hair, about to get right. This is how she's looking, you guys, in natural. Look at that natural highlight right there. What? Healthy glow, baby, healthy glow. I'm getting this on camera, like how I didn't put a lick of highlighter on and it looks so luminous and glowy and skin-like, and wow. Hey guys, Teaira is about to get ready for bed. This is how my face is looking. I just have, the only thing I have is like this creasing right here around my mouth, but this lighting, bathroom lighting, isn't the best, I'll be honest with you, but everything else looks pretty like normal for the most part. The only thing I would say, because I didn't powder my face, when I don't powder my face, it is transferable. So like I was moving my pillow and it swiped my face and I got makeup all over it. So I would say that, you know, it's transferable, but other than that, I really like it. The only thing I'm not feeling about my makeup is my under eyes, but that, I think that's like my concealer. But yeah, everything else, like my face, still looks good. Wherever I put the foundation, it looks really good, and I really like it. And I would definitely give this foundation it's a 9 out of 10. It's a 9 out of 10 for, yeah, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Highly recommend. Yeah, so I'm so tired. It's like 9 or 10, I don't know, but your girl be going to sleep early and I'm so tired. I've had this makeup on for like over 10 hours. Nah, I'm lying, not 10 hours. What time is it? Let's see. Yeah, because I started doing my makeup at like 9 a.m. y'all, so I'm tired. My makeup is done for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like reviews, make sure you thumbs up, you subscribe, because it helps my channel out a lot. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna go to bed, I'm gonna wash my face, I'm gonna take a shower. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.